Welcome all. I'm Chef Philiph from Westin, Chennai. I hope you all are staying safe during this time of COVID-19. I understand it will be a bit difficult for you all to manage your meals, especially for people who are not staying with their families. So I've got some easy recipes that can be done under 10 minutes, and it will be a bit different from your regular rice and dal and the curries that you generally would be having. So today we'll be doing a chicken burger. For making the burger, we'll require chicken breast. You can cut the chicken breast into thin slices. A burger bun that you can generally find in any of the supermarkets near your house. We'll require a couple of gherkins. We'll require Cajun spice, salt, white pepper powder, and crushed black pepper. Apart from that, we'll require a bit of cheese to go on the burger, a bit of butter. We'll require some flour, a bit of egg, and breadcrumb. So these three would be used to give a coating to the chicken, and then we'll fry the chicken in oil. Just make sure the oil is in a medium-high temperature. First, we season the flour. So what we'll do is we'll add a bit of salt, Cajun spice, a bit of white pepper, and a bit of crushed black pepper. We just mix it up properly so that chicken gets nice flavor to it once we are frying, and we do not have to add any other flavorings on top. So once the flour is ready, we just add the chicken pieces to it. Now I've dusted the chicken slices. Next, what I'll do is I'll put these chicken slices in an egg batter. Just basically I've just broken the eggs and mixed it so that it becomes a very thin, fine consistency. So what will happen now is I'll just put the chicken breast over here. Just put a bit of egg on top. Then put it properly, and then it will go in the breadcrumb. Again, I'll coat it nicely in the breadcrumb so that it gives a very nice crisp texture to it. Now I've coated the chicken breast with breadcrumbs, and we're putting it in the oil. We'll slide the chicken breast slowly so that the oil doesn't splash. Now by the time the chicken is getting cooked, we'll slice some tomatoes, some onions, and some gherkins, and also we'll cut the burger bun. Now we'll cook it till the time it gets a nice golden brown color. Now we'll apply little butter on the burger bun. We'll apply butter on both the base and the crown. The burger bun is toasted. Now we can apply a spread on this, probably something like a mayonnaise or barbecue sauce or something that you like to have. But now that we've already put some butter, I'll not be adding any more spread to it. We'll straight away start the layering of the burger. I'll put a little bit of lettuce. Tomatoes, a little of onion. I'll just season this slightly with a bit of salt and pepper. Then I'll put the gherkin slices. And once I've added all the veggies, now we'll be putting the chicken on top. I'll put 3 slices of these fried chicken. I guess 3 would be sufficient for this. And then we can add a little bit of cheese if you want. There goes one slice of cheese. Gonna add some cheese on top, and then you can just cover it. have a stick, you can probably just put a stick through it so that it stays, and your burger is done. Now the burger is ready. You can enjoy this with a bit of ketchup. Or you can make some sauce. For this I have used mayonnaise, a bit of Tobasco and some jalapeños, so that it can give a spicy sauce for this burger. So this goes on the side. Yeah, you can enjoy the chicken burger.